Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are at Buster's Tyres. A lovely friend of mine who has sponsored me some space, some tools and the time. Today we will be changing the brake calipers on the Golf R, my beloved beautiful lady. Fucking hell, my beloved beautiful lady. We are gonna get straight to it, and I want to big up Buster's Tyres always for sponsoring me and helping me with this video. We are situated at Buster's Tyres in Perryville, southeast London, famously known for top-notch quality and excellent customer service. Now they've sponsored us with some tools, an air gun and a jack. First thing we're gonna do is get these bolts off and then get the car up in the air, clean the brake calipers and then get to it.
I'll keep coming through.
Yeah, I think that's the bad one. I think it's shut by our side and then no back up and have to stop. And we've got all I need to find 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Would do that, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I have to do it. And then checks on Saturday. We'll go Saturday morning and see what we can get from there.
Right, guys, I'm gonna start with the first coat. Wow, these are bright.
Is it going out now? You're in trouble now.
Is it going out?
No, it's quite good. Yeah?
Yes. I like this brush, it's the right size. Although it's gonna get on some of the brakes. Put this first coat on. Hopefully that will dry. Try not to get some on the disc too much. This paint is perfect. I've never done this before, so obviously this is all our first time. So see how this all goes. I feel like I'm a G. I don't need to mark up no brakes. If it get upon it, it get upon it. Brake pads are gonna change after soon, eventually. This brush gets in all the corners, that's what I love. This piece too, I forget, look how find it. It's gonna look like a GTI, but it's not a GTI. It's an R. I think I'm messing up the coat by just adding more to it. Just look at that as I'm going through it. Once again, I want to big up to Buster's Tyres for allowing me the space, time and tools to get this done. If it was it for him, I don't know where I'd start. Catch the under part. See if I carry these to VW and they think, wow, who done your brakes, mate? Nah, I done them myself. I mean, 50 quid I get it done for you. Nah, not really. I guess spraying is a lot more easier if you have the time and the patience. I'd definitely get this bit. I'd definitely do this. Definitely prefer this over. So right, I'm just gonna get into it. Yes guys, so we're back to the front. taking off all the bolts. This one's a bit more of a bigger one, so this one's going to be more fun.
Purchase your tracks today.
There is, after 2 coats, I gotta know what you lot think. After 2 coats, the back ones are done too. I think I'm almost nearly done. I think another half an hour, let it dry, and then bam, 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 boom. Hey guys, it's an hour and a half later, almost going into 2 hours. Finally finished it, thanks to Buster's Tires for the equipment, time, space, and love, most importantly. I want to big them up for sponsoring me on this video, and I want you guys to let me know what you think of the new look. Those are the beautiful Ferrari red brakes. Look at the back ones, look what I've done so far. All with my hands on this one paintbrush. I've put one of the art stickers on so you can see, but my dirty hand touched it, so it ruined I've left a dirty mark on the brake, so that's annoying. I'm gonna get some more of the art stuff. Sorry guys, I've just had cars a bit messy from all the stuff, so I've got one more of the stickers. I'm gonna pop that on and get everything back on. I've left that to dry for about 15 minutes, and it is quick dry paint, so I do think it's near enough dry. Also, from a bit of driving, it will definitely dry up, as well as put a bit more dirt on it. So yeah, let's get into it. Actually, I think the R goes like that, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. Oh, I haven't given it enough time to dry. Fuck. Maybe I haven't left it enough time to dry. So yeah, that wasn't enough time to dry on that spectrum. That wasn't enough time to dry, but I'm just gonna quickly dabble over it. Guys, so that is it. This is a plain brake with no R logo, still a R. Those are the back ones. See how those look. That was the first one I did. And here's my favorite one. Although the wheel's the most scuffed up wheel, This one's got the, although I did have a bit of dirt on it from where I put it in. So you can see a little bit of dirt, or paint on the rim, but that's alright. See a bit of dirt on the R logo, it's annoying, but I feel like it stands out a lot more. Better visuals of it, more in the open on when it's washed, but for now, that's how the R is looking. Once again, I want to big up to Buster's Tyres. They do mobile mechanics. If you've lost a tyre, in the sense of it's running out of air, it's gone. If you've got a slow puncture, if you need some air, come down to Buster's Tyres. This is their Insta app. You also have Instagram. Nowadays, what's 2024 if you haven't got a car Instagram? Hit them up on Instagram at Buster's Tyres, and they're located on Perryvale, which is south east London. Not too far, about 2 minutes from Forest Hill train station, 3 minutes from Sydenham. So yeah, definitely check these guys out when you need some tyres. As I said, the customer service is always top notch. If you're in London, thinking of getting new, part worn or used wheels, make sure you come and check down Buster's Tyres. Fast, efficient and friendly customer service. Once again, I want to thank them for this one.